When homeowners think about upgrading their windows, they often look for options that balance style, functionality, and long-term value. Double-hung windows continue to be one of the most popular choices, and for good reason. In Coppell homes, these windows offer a combination of timeless design and everyday practicality that appeals to a wide range of homeowners and architectural styles. A classic design that fits many home styles. One of the main reasons double-hung windows remain popular is their classic appearance. Their balanced, symmetrical design works well with both traditional and modern homes, making them a versatile option. In Coppell neighborhoods where home styles vary, double-hung windows blend seamlessly without overpowering the exterior. Homeowners appreciate that these windows enhance curb appeal while maintaining the original character of the home. Flexible ventilation for everyday comfort. Double-hung windows offer unique ventilation options thanks to their two operable sashes. Homeowners can open the bottom sash to let fresh air in or open the top sash to allow warm air to escape. For Coppell homeowners, this flexibility helps manage indoor comfort naturally. Being able to adjust airflow based on the time of day or personal preference makes double-hung windows easy to use and practical for daily living. Improved indoor airflow without complication. Good ventilation doesn't need to be complicated. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to create natural airflow with simple adjustments. In Coppell homes, opening both sashes slightly creates gentle air circulation that helps rooms feel fresher and more comfortable. This ease of use encourages regular ventilation without relying solely on mechanical systems. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Another reason double-hung windows remain popular is their ease of maintenance. Many designs allow the sashes to tilt inward, making it easier to clean both sides of the glass from inside the home. Coppell homeowners value this convenience, especially in multi-story homes where exterior window cleaning can be challenging. Simple maintenance helps keep windows looking and performing their best over time. Practical for family living. Double-hung windows are often chosen for family homes because they offer a balance of safety and functionality. Opening the top sash allows ventilation while keeping the lower portion closed, which can be helpful in homes with children or pets. For Coppell families, this feature supports peace of mind while still allowing fresh air to circulate indoors. Consistent performance throughout the year. Double-hung windows are designed to perform reliably in a range of conditions. When closed, they form a tight seal that helps limit drafts and maintain indoor comfort. Coppell homeowners benefit from windows that support stable indoor temperatures without requiring constant adjustment. This consistent performance makes double-hung windows a dependable choice year after year. Supporting long-term home value. Home improvements that combine style and function tend to hold their value. Double-hung windows are widely recognized and appreciated by homeowners and buyers alike. In Coppell homes, this familiarity and broad appeal help maintain long-term value. Even if selling isn't a current plan, homeowners enjoy knowing their window choice supports future resale potential. A window-style homeowners trust. Double-hung windows have stood the test of time because they deliver reliable performance without unnecessary complexity. Their straightforward design makes them easy to operate, maintain, and enjoy. For homeowners in Coppell, double-hung windows remain a popular choice because they offer comfort, versatility, and a look that never feels outdated. Whether upgrading a single room or the entire home, these windows continue to meet the needs of everyday living while enhancing the overall home experience.